Hi guys, Daniel here and welcome to another one of my product review and unboxing videos, and today we're going to be looking at a colour laser printer made by a company called Xerox, and it's the Phaser 6510. Sorry about the flashing lights, it's just LED bulbs. Colour laser printer. Not hugely expensive, it's about a couple of £100. And I'm going to do this video in stages. So this is what it comes in, this big box. Carry handles. You might need a couple of people to help you with this, as it says there, but it's not too heavy, you can manage it by yourself. So we've got the box open, and as you can see it's packed with the usual styrofoam. When I ordered this off Printerland in the UK, they included a separate UK power plug. Let's have a look what's in it though. So what comes with it by standard is an American one, so obviously that's why they include one, so you get that. And it looks like you get your usual manuals, nice grip seal bag, it's all in, installation guide, etc. What else do we get? I'm not sure what this is for yet, but I imagine it's a piece of plastic. And the printer's obviously packed very well. It's here, the printer. It's got okay. And then it looks like there's another piece of styrofoam at the bottom. And it's packed in this bag. So what I'll do is in the next part of the video I'll take this out and show you. Okay, welcome back. Got it out of the box. It's a bit weighty, it's not overly heavy. Probably need a couple of you to lift it out, or depending how strong you are. It comes in this plastic wrapping. There is this, as I said earlier, there is this piece. But let's just have a look around the printer first. So it's a nice dark sort of navy, an off-white colour. Got Xerox badge at the front. This is all obviously taped up for transit like you would get with an inkjet printer, etc. That's the multi-purpose tray. It takes A6 and also A4, all the paper sizes you would need. Adjustable. This is the main paper tray here. And this will take a whole range of paper sizes. Very nice operation, nice and smooth. What else can I show you? That obviously is when the sheets are coming out, sort of thing. It's got quite a few controls on the front here. Obviously it's got your toner levels here. I guess they come up with a thing. I don't know if that does something. Let's get that off there. Okay, so this front flap here is your toners, and they're all preloaded. I might have to do something with these, take them out and take a strip off protective film, so, you know, like in transit thing, and then put them back in, but I'll do that when I set that up. I'm not sure yet. So I've just unboxed it. This is the side. It's got a lot of air vents, obviously for cooling and things like that. On this particular model, it's got your standard USB and your Ethernet. There's one that's £30 more, and it's the 6510i, and that's got the wireless feature. It has got a thing here for it, but obviously the little thing's missing. But if you wanted a wireless version of this, then you'll have to pay a little bit more for it. Depends if you think you need it or not. So that thing slides, and this whole thing comes off. This is just some board in here. Yeah, I don't really need to. Don't really need to touch that, to be honest. I'll put that back on in a minute. Standard power. As I said, you do get the American power adapter included, but I ordered this off a UK website. They sent me a UK one, which is nice, and it is an Xerox branded power supply, power adapter. Okay, so this is hinged, this rear part. That's a roller. All comes off and comes together really smooth. Obviously you can get to all the components. And then there's a side access. I'm not sure what this is for, but let's find out. It's part of the mechanism. As I say, I'm not going to. And there's obviously that additional transit tape you need to take off, but you can see that from the outside. So we'll leave that as it is. So that's my unboxing for the Xerox Phaser 6510. So if you are thinking about buying one of these, that's what's included in the box. I hope this video helps. Thanks. Hi guys, welcome back to the final part of the video. So I've set up the printer. This is it on. The setup process was really easy. It asked me for the date and the time, then asked me to configure the wired network because I'm using it with an Ethernet cable. Just configured the IP address, pinged it from another computer, it worked, it then did a few bits. It's then printed this startup page, so it's all working. And then I've got the Xerox software, Smart Start software I went for. It picked up the printer, asked me what driver I wanted to, and now it's installed. And then we'll print a test page. And there's something flashing on the printer. Printing port 9110, tray 1, so this one, put paper in here. And as you can see, Windows printer test page, so all working, all good.